Rachel, are you a dinosaur? What do dinosaurs say? Do they say roar? Can you roar for me? Very good.
Socks.
Yes, you have your socks on. Very good. Can you turn around so I can see your back? Can you turn around for me, please? Alright, turn around again. Turn around. Oh, good job. Good job. Are you modeling your new outfit? Can you say, thank you, Baba? Can you send Baba a kiss?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye, Baba. Can you say, have fun on your trip, Baba?
Bye-bye.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye to Dada?
Bye.
Alright, send another kiss. Alright, thank you.